This is an elder, you've got to listen to it.
So this is elder wood. It's nice, lightweight. It's quite useful when you start by taking the pith out of it, like that.
So I found a good way to take the pith out of this elder is using a chainsaw file, and if you just put it in, it does a really good job.
I've made all these strange little instruments out of elder, and I thought I'd try recording them. I filled this sequencer up with elder noises, they're all different ones. Just silly. I went off at a bit of a tangent there, so I thought I'd show you a more practical use. If you're ever cornered by a vicious circle, you can use your elder like this. You see, you can make it into a temporary blow dart. It's very effective.